Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, today I'm discuss about that how we can advertise the mobile application and you're using for Google AdWords campaign. So everyone making a application everything. So they are worried about that app install and app engagement. So how we can increase the app installs by using Google AdWords campaign. Now first of all, google.com/adwords. Now you can sign in your campaign here. In this campaign, the particular app promotion will be different types are there. I'll show the different types. What are the options are into the campaign? We only target by the app promotions. So here little bit option will be different also will be there. App promotion will be two method will be follow that customers by in the Google AdWords. So how we can promoting the mobile application into the Google AdWords? First of all, select new campaign. They first of all show that your particular campaign goals like sale, lead generation, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotions here. In this one, when clicking for search option, they can go option will be app downloads. Here one more option. Without app promotion, we can select app download Android or iOS. So where into search option. But we have to promoting will be where in this app promotion. Select here app install and app engagement. So when you are selecting app installs, I'm looking for my app installs. Here the option will be there Android or iOS. So in this, I have to selecting for Amazon Music. So first of all, I'm selecting for Amazon Music. How can increase the install? So Android, select Amazon Music, select here, click for continue. So what are the steps we can follow here? Now Amazon Music app promotion. This will be promoting for enter India, enter country, anything will be you can using this option. I can promote this application for entire countries or only focus by the India option. And we have to promoting for all languages, not for particular one language. Here we can selecting for one language, selecting for different languages or all languages. Now after that, select your per day budget. I can go with the 500. After that, so in this particular app promotions dependent by the cost per action and cost per install. By showing for install value, but is showing for cost per action after will be. So each install, how much your price will be deducted. I can go for 2 rupees for each app installs. Each app install. I go with the 10 rupees. I go with the 15 rupees. So this all will be coming to this option. So yeah. After that, you have to selecting the specific start date and end date time. So in here, I'm not mention any end date. The reason I can run this campaign anytime, I can stop the campaign will be anytime. Then nothing but start or pause. So after that, show advanced setting, any data feed, everything will be here in your particular option. Next, save and continue. So this app promotion total will depend on by the three steps: campaign selection and the particular set as the ad group. Third will be confirmation. So here apps. After that, setting by proper headline. Amazon Music here. Latest song, listen. Latest song list. Here will be Amazon Music. Latest songs. So we can using for latest mp3 songs. So here we can adding three option. Images will be adding 20. based on ad. This ad visible by the only for mobile device by display, search, YouTube and discovery and Google Play Store. In the Play Store, I will be showing Google Play Store, discovery, YouTube and search and display. YouTube will be nothing will be show. What's the reason? I'm not adding here for any option. So here Amazon Music. Just I'm selecting Amazon Music here. Now I'm selecting this video here. So automatically video also will be showing will be in this YouTube option. So there will be in a particular ad, skip ad here. So based on the video adding, the showing will be different ads will be here. So final. So I'm showing for Android. You have to check with app one and give me the comment box. What is different by the iPhone app promotion and Android app promotion. This will be showing ad will be display, search, YouTube, discovery, and last option will be Google Play Store. If you are promoting for Apple apps on using Google AdWords, what is different? You have to comment me on the our my comment section. So what is different? Android application and iOS application. Finally, here I'm not adding any kind of images. I'm using for original image. What are the image they're using on the Play Store? Same image will be used. If you are using different images, go for the 20 images option will be here. Just HTML files. This template we can design using Mailchimp. Lot of options are there. Just we can go for HTML file, choose to file upload. Here option will be given in this particular option. After that, we have to go option name is save and continue for final confirmation. So second one, only we can adding for headline 5. Each headline will be 30 characters, 5 description on the 5. Each description will be 30 characters. Next image will adding for 20 images, 20 videos, 20 HTML files. After that, so if you're adding one video, accepted. Two images, accepted. 20 is not a mandatory. If you're not adding image, video, or you put HTML file, they can accept. But adding is must and should important. Final, save and continue. Finally, it will be go to the confirmation. The app nothing but app promotion, purpose of install, all language support, all over India. They start today onwards up to I'm not mentioned by any end date. The reason is called we have to reach audience to the more customers based on this application. Now click for continue. So finally, it will be ad was created in this campaign option. You have to wait certain time to activate your particular app promotion ad. This is nothing but increase app install throughout India to get start by today onwards specific daily budget you can mention on the Google AdWords. So add this application on your Google AdWords, increase your app install based on the Google AdWords ads marketing. This will be help to increase your app install and app engagement. Any particular doubts, you can ask me on the YouTube channel comment box. I'll definitely will be support how will be create campaign on the Google AdWords to increase app install. One more important. So I have to explain Android application. You can try what is different by Android application promotion and iOS application promotion on the Google AdWords. You can comment me on the my particular comment section button. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.